A problem I've found with having children's books is that when they're on the shelf you can never see what you've got, and then because you can't see it you never pick it and then they never get read. So to resolve the issue, in this video I made these forward-facing bookshelves. Better? Enjoy! So that's two done. Next job is to edge band, well I'll probably sand down a bit. Sand down, edge band, fill in the screw holes in the front, primer undercoat, top coat, hang them on the wall.
So I've got this pine edge banding, which is an iron-on type, to cover these edges. I'm going to paint it anyway, but what this does is stops the paint from soaking into the end grains of the plywood. If I was to just paint it as it is, these layers would absorb all the paint and it'd look pretty rough. So putting this on gives it a nice smooth edge.
This was just a quick and easy project, but I've got much grander things in the pipeline, actually currently being edited. So if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, then don't forget to hit subscribe. Oh, and a public service announcement, if you're going to Makers Central this year, I will be there, so I will see you there. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So if at any point you're thinking you like the look of this chair, then I'll put a link. Oh no, I'm in a mirror. So I'll put a link somewhere and you can see how I made it.